So this is a quick video to show you the Vtech Safe and Sound DM1111 model. This is what the box looks like, so everyone can see. Comes with 2 adapters, 2 batteries, a listen and a communicate, belt clip, volume control. There's the barcode. And this is what it looks like. You've got 2 adapters here. The AC adapter 6 volt 0.45 amp. A nice barrel connector there. We do know the size of that. 2 rechargeable batteries. NIMH, as shown there, with the back, the baby unit, the listening device with a simple power button, and the parent unit, where the batteries go in there, flat side to the spring. The cover pushes on, you turn it on, and you've got the volume. And that's what it says underneath. That's where the power supply goes, which also charges the battery. And it's the same charger for both. You get this user manual inside. So you can press pause if you need to know any of these details. So that's what you get in the box, and now we'll show you it working, and we'll show you it with our replacement AC adapter. We now have them plugged in, and there's the normal interference that you would hear, and I am echoing because I am talking near this one, near the microphone on this one, and coming out the speaker on this one. We've got the volume controls to make it quieter, as indicated there by the light going up. That is maximum volume. You can clearly see you've got a battery charging light in red, and they both got power lights in green. That's the original chargers plugged in. I'll now show you it with our replacement AC adapter. So here we are ready to try our replacement AC adapter, which is black in colour. In the manual, the battery light says it flashes in red when the battery is low, and when the low battery, it beeps twice, 10 minutes, every 10 minutes when the battery is low. So the battery is not low. You've got no indication, it's not bleeping. You can hear me talking when the lights appear. Okay, I'm going to push my replacement charger in so you can clearly see the difference in the light. In it goes. And we now have a solid red light, which means it is charging. And you can also hear and see my voice. Okay, enough playing around. So that's to show you our replacement AC adapter. As shown there, is a perfect replacement. Works with the DM1111. Your original was white. Ours is black. If we have any white later in stock, it will be in the link in the description. So, from me at AC Adapters R Us, I'll show you who we are outside. If you do need us, our telephone number is there. We sell on eBay, Amazon, and you can also, of course, email us directly. Bye-bye for now.